Salesforce.com is very much an account-centric application, and as such, you'd imagine that you can track things like hierarchical structures within the account details. So looking at things like an account name and the hierarchy of children and even grandchildren accounts. However, many customers want to see this in a slightly different way, and this is where we'll be able to see the power of Visualforce and how you can use that to change the interface of Salesforce.com. So right now my hierarchy is very much a tree structure that I can only see by leaving the screen. But there's an application built by Salesforce Labs called Inline Account Hierarchy, which will actually provide a collapsible tree view of your account hierarchies. I'm going to get this now by logging into my production Salesforce instance. I'll go through the terms and conditions and install the application. Now before I can install this, Salesforce will show me the different package installation details so I can see exactly what is being installed. And it's important to pay attention to these installation details at this point because you can customize the Visualforce code later. I'm just going to hit continue and next. Now I'm going to grant access to all of my users because this is an application that the sales reps have probably been looking for. And I'm going to hit install. Once the install is complete, I can now just simply go into Customize, Accounts, Page Layouts, and I'm going to add this field to my page layout, this new Visualforce component. So first I'm going to create a new section, make it one column, and call it Account. Into my Visualforce pages, I can see the account hierarchy Visualforce pages available. So I can drag and drop that in, hit save, and now when I go back to my account page, I'll be able to see that new account hierarchical Visualforce component displayed. So I can make this collapsible. I can see Salesforce.com, and I can collapse or expand if I'm dealing with a very large quantity of children and grandchildren in that hierarchical structure. Now, as I mentioned, this component can be configured. We can use Visualforce to actually change what we can see here in the account hierarchy dropdown. And that's done simply by going back to the application, and just down on the right hand side is the customization guide. And this is also a great introduction to Visualforce and Apex programming, as it is well documented and easy to change.